Check out this cool spot here to do a little bit of relaxing and plane spotting. Look how big this is. They've got picnic tables, trash cans, everything but a toilet. It looks like a dog park. Yeah, it is a dog park. Plenty of parking. The end of the runway is over there. Work area is over there, and the main hub or airport is over there. This is ILM International Airport, Wilmington, North Carolina. There's a control tower, but you can spend the whole afternoon out here. Here's the history on the place. Kitty Hawk is not far away. I've got some good pictures. Yesterday I was here for about an hour. I'm only going to be here about another hour today. It's very early in the morning. I got here at 6 because we're going down toward the beach to look at a project. But way off in the distance over there, I was able to get, with my long reach right there, there are some Harriers parked there and Ospreys. Yesterday there were 6 Harriers and 2 Ospreys. They did not get airborne. They were just parked there. So I guess during the night, they or very early before I got here, they're gone. There's 2 Harriers there, 2 Harriers. But I'll be back later on because there's quite a bit of military activity here. They're given first rights apparently because they donated the land to the city many years ago. So I'll be back later on after our business trip.